What's up guys, this is Massey. Welcome to another video. If this is your first time here and you want to learn how to deal with math and chemistry questions, start now by subscribing to this channel and clicking the bell so you don't miss anything. In this video I want to show you how many different ways or how many 8-letter words can be made from the word absolute. We have 6 different questions. The first one is how many different ways with no restriction. So we have 8 letters. So that will be 8 factorial when there is no restriction and none of them is repeating. So it's going to be just 8 factorial, which is 8 times 7 times 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. That's going to be 40,320. In the second part, it says if it must start with an A. So if it must start with an A, so you need to have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So this one, we have just one option. So the rest of it, when you take it out, we have 7 different letters. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So when you multiply it, it's going to be 5,040. C. If A and B must be together. If A and B must be together, so it means that we need to have it as A, B, S, O, L, U, T, E. Or we can have it as B, A, S, O, L, U, T, E. So we have 7 letters here and 7 letters here. So it's going to be 7 factorial times 2. Which will be 10,080. D. If it A and B must be together at the front of the word. So again, we have 8 different positions. So here, this is for A and B. So for this one, I have 2 possibilities. It can be A and B, and the other one we have just 1 possibility. The rest of it is going to be 6 letters. So 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So 2 times 1 times 6 times 5 times 4 times 3 times 2 times 1. That's going to be 1440. 1,440 different ways. Next one is going to be if B must always follow A. Again, we're going to have AB as 1 letter, and the rest of it is going to be S, O, L, U, T, E. So we have 7 letters. It looks like we have 7 letters. So we have 7 factorial. That's going to be 5,040. Next one, if ABS must be together. So ABS, 3 letters. So we have A, B, S, and the rest of it is going to be O, L, U, T, E. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have 6 factorial multiplied by, here in this case, we have 3 as well. 3 factorial. Or we can have it as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we have, for the first one, we have 3, 2, and 1. The rest of it is going to be 6, 5, 4, 3, and 2. So the answer to this part is going to be 6 factorial times 3 factorial. It's going to be 4,320 different ways. So this is the final answer. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment if you have any question and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. I will leave some related videos and playlists in the description. In case you need extra help, you can just take a look to the description. If you found this video useful, please like it and share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.